Riu mutu wa ngano na wa mbembe uritukanagio na wa muhia niguo kugacirithia UGIMA mwega wa mwiri kuri muingi wa bururi.
Swali ile nitauliza.
O ni kurumirira uge wa thirikari ikihinyiriria athii ya mutu gutukania mitu ino guku makiuria arimi mongerere ukuria wa mumero uyu niguo kugacirithia uingi waguo na kuguna mukenya haria hothe ari.
We will require more volumes of sorghum to be able to meet the demand of aflatoxin for the farmers. So that's another avenue for creating market for sorghum, which will ensure that farmers are able to sell their products, get an income, get some money, and live well.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa urimi na mahiu guku bururi-ini rwa Karlo Eliud Kireger ni athingatite kuga maragura mutu uyu kuma mabururi maria maturigiceirie Uganda na Tanzania kuona gutire na mutu wa kuigana guku bururi-ini.
We expect that the consumption of sorghum will go up, the demand of sorghum will go up. Our current production is about 0.5 to 0.9 metric tons per hectare. Yet the potential that we have is up to 8 tons per hectare.
Oho ni mambikite mubango wa guthomithia arimi kuma kaunti-ini 10 rungu rwa tabarira ya urimi iri ihuritwo njeki ni bengi ya kimabũrũri ari ta njira cia kugacirithia urimi wa muhia.
Trying to do this so that the youth, when they're looking for jobs or agribusiness, why can they come into the agribusiness of value addition of sorghum, where we make from kebabs, sausage, to biscuits, to crackers, to githeri, to pancakes, to chapati, mandazi, all those products. Can you imagine? Now we're moving to soap.
Ihinda-ini riri bururi urahota kugetha tani 260,000 cia mutu uyu wa muhia uria uingagiria ciringi bilioni 4 o mwaka guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.